Hi, this is Maniarsan. Today we are going to see Adobe Premiere Pro interface. In the previous session, I said you should follow a proper folder structure and proper bin folder structure. You know why it is important? Because you need to track your folders and files and your process. This folder structure and bin folder structure will help you a lot. Let's dive into the video. In this video, we are going to see the timeline buttons and tools and some of the important essential panels that may be useful to you. First of all, I need to create a sequence, but I already created in the last video. Clips to the timeline. First of all, I am going to drag some clips to the timeline. Some random clips is enough for me because I am just going to teach you how the PR works and how the interface is. But you need to classify the clips and separate the NG shots and OK shots. See here, the clips are not fit to the screen. So I just select the all clips and right click. Here, scale to frame size. I just click the button. The clips are fitted to the screen. This V1, V2, V3, these tracks are video tracks, and the A1, A2, A3, these are audio tracks. The video will be imported in the video tracks and the audio will be imported in the audio tracks. Okay. This hide toggle button is for the hide the entire track. That's the purpose of this button. These are the keys that used for the toggle tracking. I have placed the clips on the top of the others. Now I need to select the first clip. But defaultly it selects the V1, but I need to select V3. For that, I just click this button and drag. This will be happen. These buttons are used for the toggle tracking button. And then next one is a lock button. If I click this lock button, the entire track was locked. I can't move, I can't edit, I can't cut. I'm just trying to cut this clip, but I can't. You will see these buttons on the top. These are the important buttons in the timeline. The next key is snap in timeline. In this key we used for a magnetic attachment. Like this. Without enabling this key, I have manually attached these clips, but I have little bit overwrite the other clips. With enabling this key, I can attach this clip with no effort. Whenever I take this clip close to another clip, this will be automatically attached with that. See, like this. This is the purpose of this key. Next one is linked selection. This key is used for selecting the both audio and video for the same clip. Like, without enabling this key, just click this video, but this video track only selected, not audio track selected. By enabling this key, I just select the video track, but the audio track also selected. This is the purpose of this key. Next one is the marker. This marker is widely used for mentioning or marking some particular place in the timeline that was more useful to remain something have to add in that space. Okay, just imagine you are working in a big project. In this project, you are continuously working in a big timeline, but you need to remember something should be happen or something should be added in the particular space, but not now. So you just put the marker there and you can remind it. I just put the marker in here. And I can also name it. I name it as a LMS and comment. In this comment, we can add whatever we want to change in this clip or change in this particular space and save it. After, any other person going to work in this project or in this file, they also can understand this work should be done in that place. That's the purpose of this marker. Next one is a timeline display settings. This timeline display setting widely used for the sort the clips in the timeline. Like here the show video names is enabled. See, the name of the clips are enabled. If I disable that, the name of the clips are disabled. There are lots of settings in the timeline display settings. We will see it as a separate video. Now we are going to see the audio track. As I said before in the video track, the lock button is used for lock the entire track. Like this. I can't edit or I can't move anything in this track. That's the purpose of this lock. The next one is the toggle track tracking. As I said in the video track, the same thing applies in this also. Next there is two buttons, namely M and S. M stands for mute and S stands for solo. The mute button is used for mute the entire track. And the solo button is used for, this is a small project file, so I don't have much audio tracks in it. But you will work in a big project that contains more audio tracks. In those audio tracks, you just need to hear some of tracks like audio 1, audio 2, audio 3 only you need to hear. You don't want to mute the audio 4 to 6. you just click the solo button for the audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. Those audio tracks which are enabled with the solo, that will be only played for the entire sequence. Now we have explored the timeline and timeline icon. Now we are going to see the tools. The first tool is move tool. This move tool is used to move any clip or any solid layers or any items that were imported in the timeline. And one more thing, we can move the clips in the program monitor also. Next one is a track select forward tool. This tool is used for select and drag the entire clips that were imported in the timeline. See, like this. Next tool we are going to see is the ripple delete tool. This tool is used to delete the empty space in between the clips, like this. See, the empty space in between the clips has been deleted. See, like this. This is the purpose of this clip. Next one is a razor tool. This razor tool is used to cut the clips. See, 1, 2, 3. I have cut down these clips into 4 parts. Now I change the move tool and now I can separate these 4 clips. Okay, this is the purpose of razor tool. Next one is slip tool. As I said before, this is a small project file. If you are working in a big project file, there will be a chaos of this. You can't replace the clips another part of the same clip. For that, slip tool is very useful. I can change the entire clip, and this particular part is good enough to me, so I just placed here. See, same particular part has been played. This is the purpose of this tool. Next one is a pen tool. This pen tool is used to create unique shapes in the timeline. See, like this. I just created a shape and I can change the colors also. See, like this. This is the purpose of this pen tool. And then next one is rectangle tool. This is a shape tool. We can create a rectangle shape, as well as there are 3 shapes in it. Just press the Alt key and left click on it. See, there is a ellipse tool. Next one is a polygon tool. See. Next tool is hand tool. This tool widely used to move the program monitor like this. And finally, text tool. See. We can type whatever we want in this. We have completed the tools and the timeline settings and timeline tools. As I said before, we explore some important essential panels. Like, now I have typed the text here. I need to change these properties of the text, like the size, the color, the font, anything. So there is an effects control panel. This is an important and essential panel you need to know. In here you can adjust the position of the text or clip or any adjustment layers or any items that I have imported in the timeline. I can adjust the position in the horizontal way or vertical way. And next one is the scale. See, like this I can scale the items. These are some basic things in the effects control panel. Now we are going to change the properties of the text. First I am going to change the font. After that I can change the color also. See, and then stroke, and then background. And I can change the properties of the background like opacity, width, size and the rounded corners. Lastly, shadows. Next we are going to see the lumetri color. In the lumetri color we can do the basic color correction for the video clips like temperature. See, I can adjust this temperature, tint and saturations, as well as exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. These are the basic color correction. See the difference before and after. This is the before clip and this is the after clip. We can do the basic calibration in the Premiere Pro. And also here we have creative curves, color match, color wheels. Next one is a audio track mixer. By using this panel I can adjust the decimal of the tracks. Like here's the audio 1, I have increased the sound, and audio 2 I have decreased the sound. The entire track will be increased and the entire track will be decreased. Next one is the audio clip mixer. I have placed the 3 videos in the same line, and I have 3 audio clips here. I can adjust the audios of each clip individually. See, audio 1, audio clip 1 I have increased, audio 2 I have decreased, and audio 3 I have increased. Like this, I have increased and decreased of each clips. This is the purpose of this panel. These are the some basic and essential panels you should know. And do you think the PR interface is completed? Not yet. We have more things to explore in the Premiere Pro interface that will be followed in the following videos. Thank you.